What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Get up on there.
Yeah, you want to get up on the Steam? This is your sign. You need to go and go to the Steam store, and you need to go buy video games right now. Right now. You have until January 5th, because after that, the Steam machine might drop. After January, it might drop January 1st, but you need video games. You don't want to be paying full price for your video games. Go get yourself some video games.
Go get you some now.
I am not sponsored by Steam or anything like that at all.
Steam.
Yeah, Steam, if you want to, send me a free Steam machine.
And the VR headset.
Yeah, VR headset, the 2 terabyte edition, a whole bunch of little, like, cool,
And let him keep it.
a little bit of plates. You let me keep it, and I'll do a review and everything. Yeah, yeah! Yo, like this video, comment what video games you're buying, and, yeah, go now. Steam machine, get yourself the sale, so you have video games to play. Get those games. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and the Steam controller for me, too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Valve, you hearing it. You know what I want. Yeah.